Our Artificial Intelligence and Digital Health MSc, based in our vibrant Central London campus, is a cutting-edge program designed for digital health leaders of tomorrow. This course equips you with the knowledge and practical skills to harness artificial intelligence in transforming healthcare, focusing on analyzing complex datasets like those from the UK Biobank and Genomics England. You'll gain experience in advanced tools, programming languages like Python and R, and explore emerging areas such as precision medicine and biobanking. With access to our state-of-the-art facilities and the expertise of industry-leading researchers, you'll delve into real-world challenges, learning to design AI-driven solutions for global health. At the University of Westminster, we integrate key aspects like ethics, equity, and sustainability to ensure your work aligns with UN Sustainable Development Goals. Graduates of this program are ready to take on roles such as AI researchers, data scientists, and precision medicine consultants, and they will shape the future of healthcare innovation or go on to further research in AI and digital health. Join us at University of Westminster to be part of this transformative journey where the technology of tomorrow meets healthcare.